Okay, listen to this. There's a stock that just signed an $80 billion nuclear deal with the US government, owns 49% of Westinghouse Electric, the company building reactors for Microsoft and Amazon's AI data centers, controls 18% of global uranium production, including the world's highest-grade mines at McArthur River and Cigar Lake, and is literally the only company on Earth providing the complete nuclear fuel cycle, from mining uranium all the way to reactor technology. This stock absolutely exploded 20% in a single day when the partnership was announced in October 2025. Trading at $118.63 with a $50 billion market cap, some analysts have price targets up to $165. Could this be the ultimate play on America's nuclear renaissance? Before I break down why this might be the most important nuclear stock in the world right now, welcome to Smart Investing. I specialize in finding world-class uranium and nuclear energy stocks positioned for the AI power revolution. If you want exposure to the clean energy future, hit like and subscribe. Let's dive in. The company I'm analyzing today is Cameco Corporation, ticker CCJ on the NYSE, CCO on the Toronto Stock Exchange. This is hands down the world's largest publicly traded uranium company, headquartered in Saskatoon, Canada. But here's what makes them absolutely unique. They're not just miners. They own 49% of Westinghouse Electric Company, which provides reactor technology to literally half the world's nuclear fleet. Cameco operates the highest-grade uranium mines on the planet, including Cigar Lake and McArthur River in Canada's legendary Athabasca Basin. Plus, they've got conversion and fuel fabrication facilities. With a $50 billion market cap, this is the blue-chip play in uranium. Currently trading at $118.63, analyst price targets range from $108 all the way up to $165, with consensus around $125. Now here's the bull case that gets me excited. Targets of $150 to $180 over the next 18 to 24 months, driven by that massive $80 billion US reactor deal, creating literally decades of guaranteed demand. AI data centers absolutely desperate for nuclear power, and uranium spot prices potentially rocketing to $100 plus per pound. Analysts expect earnings to jump 96% in 2025 and another 55% in 2026. That's insane growth. The bear case? Valuation is stretched at 111x forward PE. And if uranium price is correct or the reactor build-out faces delays, we could see a pullback to $90 to $100. But honestly, the fundamental setup looks incredibly strong to me. October 28, 2025, this was the big one. Cameco announced a historic $80 billion strategic partnership with the US government and Brookfield to build an entire fleet of Westinghouse AP1000 reactors across America. The stock absolutely surged 20% that single day, hitting all-time highs. January 15, 2026, Zacks upgraded CCJ to strong buy as earnings estimates keep climbing. Raymond James raised their price target to $165. November 2025, Q3 results missed Wall Street estimates on lower volumes, but management confirmed the 2026 outlook remains rock solid. Trump administration just committed to quadrupling U.S. nuclear capacity by 2050. Cameco owns McArthur River and Cigar Lake, literally the world's richest uranium deposits, with grades averaging 10 to 20% versus the industry standard of 0.1 to 0.5%. That's insane quality. They control the entire nuclear fuel cycle through Westinghouse: mining, conversion, fuel fabrication, and reactor technology. The $80 billion government partnership positions them as America's nuclear infrastructure. With Microsoft, Amazon, and Google all desperately pursuing nuclear for AI power, Cameco supplies both the fuel and the reactors. There you have it, Cameco at $118.63, the undisputed king of uranium, with an $80 billion US nuclear partnership. What's your take? Still a buy at these levels, or has the run-up gotten ahead of fundamentals? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this added value, smash like and subscribe to Smart Investing. Thanks for watching.